Dear students, the key to mastering biology lies in daily exploration. My YouTube channel offers the perfect platform for this endeavor. By visiting my channel and engaging in the daily quiz, you unlock your potential of knowledge. Each quiz is a window into the fascinating intricacies of life. It allows you to reinforce your understanding of biological concepts, as well as stay updated with the latest discoveries, and test your expertise. Join us daily, and watch your biology prowess flourish. This educational adventure is a game changer for your biology studies. If you attend the quiz every day, it will be a revision of full syllabus over a regular routine. And regular revision converts your short-term memory into long-term memory. Bye for now. Happy studying. Best wishes.